Hello, my dear doctors. A warm welcome to all of you here. Right now, we have Dr. Tasneem along with us, who is from Osh State Medical University. And she has cleared her FMGE exam, which was conducted this December, on 12th December 2021. And first of all, I would like to congratulate Dr. Tasneem. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Wow, very nice. Glad to see you that you have cleared your exam here.
Thank you so much.
So, Dr. Tasneem, first of all, I'd like to ask you, how are you feeling right now? What's your feeling after clearing the exam?
Oh, I'm feeling pretty good now. So excited, so joyful I'm feeling right now.
That actually shows your dedication for us.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. So just a few questions, Dr. Tasneem, so that that will be helping the students who are going to prepare for next session and all. What was your exact strategy of preparation? How was your exact preparation for the last 6 months?
Yes, sir. Sir, first I made the whole 19 subject notes. It is the basic thing. We should just prepare the 19 subject by our handwritten notes. Print out we can use. But I will prepare handwritten notes more.
Okay.
So I prepare my notes, then only I start my studies. I start my studies before this 6 months, but the main preparation was of these 6 months.
Lovely.
Yes.
So your main intention is listening to the lectures and preparing your own notes, handwritten notes.
Yes, sir. Yes, exactly, sir. Only just go through your notes, nothing else.
That's
from
good.
Wherever you got them. It doesn't matter. Yes.
Okay. Nowadays, the latest trend is about image-based questions and the clinical questions. So how was your approach for these image-based questions and clinical questions, Dr. Tasneem?
According to me, this time there were not too much images. Like all the teachers tell us, there will be 70, 80 images will be there, but not that much we find there. So 25 something images were there. But if we know the image and we don't know the question, we can attempt the question. We are able to attempt. Yes.
That's nice. That's good. So how about the clinical questions? How about the clinical questions this exam?
Clinical questions this time exam were pretty tricky. It was tricky, but not so lengthy questions were there. 3 or 4 liners were there only. So if we just select the one word from the question, we just go through that and we can able to tick the mark right answer.
Okay. That means in the clinical question, the keywords are important.
Yeah, the keyword is important. Whenever you use to make your preparation, you should just choose that single word in your mind. Like this particular question, we will see this word and we will just go through the answer.
Okay. That's nice. So just tell me one thing, Dr. Tasneem, how did DocTutorials app help you in your preparation?
So DocTutorial app, it was just amazing. All the rapid review bites on the YouTube, that was such a helpful thing for us. For at last, we should not skip our notes, but we should just put our notes in front of us and just look for the DocTutorial videos. So it will very helpful for us.
Lovely. That's nice. And one more important thing is how was your strategy for revision just before the exam? That is one question which most of the students will be asking. कि सर रिवीजन कैसे करना चाहिए एग्जाम से पहले, तो आपका क्या तरीका था रिवीजन करने का?
Sir, most of students just go through the rapid revision notes. They choose the different notes, but I will not suggest we have to just took our own notes, which are full notes. Just choose the important things from them only.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to mark them whenever we are preparing before. We no need to go through the rapid revisions. That time we have to mark the important things in that or highlight that things. So we will read it at the last time.
Okay. So your main emphasis nowadays, your main goal nowadays is that our notes are very much important. You meant to say, whatever notes you're preparing.
Notes are the key.
That's nice. How about the rapid revision videos in DocTutorial? Are they helpful to you? How did they help you in their exam?
They are pretty much helpful for us. Definitely. They are very easy, like clinical scenario based questions they provide us, and the image based questions they tell us how to approach them, and so many things are there.
Lovely.
It was really good.
Did you attempt the mock test?
Yes.
Did you attend the mock test?
Yeah, I attempt so many questions. Yes, we should attempt the mock test, because we will find that where we are standing at this point. So if we will scared by this, so we will not be confident on exam day also. If we will attempt the mock test before, it should be good for us, for our confidence at exam days.
Okay. Tell me one more thing, like after all this preparation things that I have asked you, like आपका preparation कैसा था, मैंने सबसे पूछा है, that is going to help the other students also. Tell me one thing, like what was going on in your mind during the exam? मतलब exam देते वक्त आपके मन में क्या चल रहा था? मतलब वो feeling कैसी होती है, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ. As a student मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ कि exam देते वक्त क्या feeling होती है?
Like in first exam, who are giving their first attempt, it was pretty hard to face the exam, because only the first part, the second part we will feel free. We will just attempt the questions like we are sitting at home, or we are doing mock test. But for the first one, we have to get a little ready for that.
Acha. What kind of preparation was yours? Like how was you ready for the exam?
I was ready pretty good, but in first it was like tricky questions. Some are tricky questions, and they are like, we can say, least important topics. We just left them out. Like we should not go through this. Maybe this will not come. We will for the most important things. So I prefer just don't miss the least things. Also, just go through once with them.
Lovely. That's really nice speaking to you, and the kind of advices that you have given, I think that will be very much helpful for the students and for the juniors who are going to write down the exam in the next session. तो बहुत सारी advices आपने दी, बहुत अच्छा लगा. बस मुझे ना just to end our conversation right now, just before ending, I would like to ask, like आप अपने juniors को जो अगला exam लिखने वाले हैं, उनको आप क्या advice दोगे? What is that one advice that you want to give to them so that they have to do that? मतलब वो तो करना ही है.
I would like to say, just stick with your notes. Stick with your notes. Just don't change them. And whenever you just feel I have pretty good done one subject, then I will give the mock test. Just give the mock test, and when you are preparing the other subject, and then you can attend the previous subject, whatever you revised before, you can attempt the mock test for that. So you will revise at the same time the previous subject also.
Lovely. That's a nice advice. Yes. So thank you for your time, doctor. Once more, congratulate you for your success in this FMGE exam. And God bless you with lots and lots of success in your life. May you achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. Okay. Thank you, doctor. Thank you. Take care. Shukriya. Take care.